Welcome to the training module on Avago ambient light photosensors. This training module introduces Avago's ambient light sensors and their key features, benefits and end applications. Ambient light sensors are photodetectors which are designed to detect ambient light conditions and have the same spectral response as the human eye. They are used wherever the settings of a system has to be adjusted to the ambient light conditions as perceived by humans. The ambient light sensors provide power-saving solutions for portable devices such as mobile phones, notebooks and PDAs. Typical application is in LCD displays. Nowadays, the LCD becomes the mainstream of display panels. However, it emits no light of its own, so the LCD displays need backlighting. Therefore, the automatic adjustment of the backlighting gives the capability of power saving and extending the panel life. A basic analog output ambient light sensor consists of a photodiode and an amplifier. The light detector is a photodiode or a phototransistor, which is well designed to detect the light source close to the human eye response. The amplifier boosts the weak signal output from the photodiode. The analog configuration has an output current proportional to light. A basic analog output ambient light sensor consists of a photodiode and an amplifier. The light detector is a photodiode or a phototransistor which is well designed to detect the light source close to the human eye response. The amplifier boosts the weak signal output from the photodiode. The analog configuration has an output current proportional to light. In a typical application, an external resistor is used to convert the output current to a voltage. A basic digital output ambient light sensor, or ALS, consists of photodiodes, amplifier, analog to digital converter and digital interface. It can convert light luminance to a digital signal output using digital interface such as I2C and SM-bus. This digital output can be input to a microprocessor where luminance or ambient light level in lux is derived using the empirical formula to approximate the human eye response. Avago's ambient light sensors, or ALSs, provide an excellent spectral response that is close to the response of human eyes. The ALSs are designed to cover a wide range of brightness. These ALSs produce reliable sensor reading under diverse voltage variation and temperature conditions. The sensors are also designed to significantly reduce power consumption and save battery life in portable and mobile devices by enabling the auto adjustments of the LCD backlight intensity and keypad lighting. Packaged in a miniature chip-led surface mount package, the ALSs also sustain temperature ranges of -40 to +85 degrees centigrade and VCC supplies from 1.8 to 5.5 volts and are ROSH compliant. Avago's ambient light sensors are ideal for applications in which the measurement of ambient light is used to control display backlighting, such as automatic mobile phones, residential and commercial lighting management, electronic signs and signals, and daylight and artificial light exposed devices. Mobile appliances, such as the mobile phones and PDAs that draw heavy current from display backlighting, will benefit from incorporating these photosensor products in their designs by reducing the power consumption significantly. Here is the whole product list of ambient light sensor solutions from Avago. Here shows the typical application circuits for both analog and digital configuration. For analog output ALSs, an external load resistor is used to convert the output current to a voltage. The amount of converted voltage is mainly dependent proportionally on the photocurrent, which is generated by the brightness of the light shown on the photosensor and the load resistor used. Increasing the brightness of the light or the load resistor will increase the output voltage. The capacitor acts as a low-pass filter. The analog configuration is then easily integrated into systems that use an ADC input, which is available for the sampling of the external source. As these ALSs contain no analog to digital circuitry, they provide design flexibility by allowing the signal processing and digitalization to be implemented through other means, such as the host microcontroller. For the digital configuration, this device already incorporates the ADC and digital interface. It outputs a digital signal over a direct I2C bus interface to the MCU. The mobile phone has become an indispensable communications component for today's consumers. The use of these phones as informational terminals has increased dramatically. Avago's ALSs detect environmental lighting changes and automatically adjust screen brightness, and can turn keypad backlighting on and off in mobile phones. This feature helps maximize battery life and extends the lifetime of backlit displays. Here is another example for lighting management. The light automatically turns off in a bright environment and on in a dark environment. The ambient light sensor also controls the light intensity according to the environmental illumination variance.